Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make some plastic earrings with bottles or plastic containers that you have around the house. And this is by request of a loyal viewer, Carmen. So let's get started. So besides clear bottles like this, you may have bottles around the house that are blue or green or even black from shampoo, or this pretty turquoise color, some green, there's another light blue, and there's a copper colored hand cream container. When I buy mushrooms, they usually come in these plastic containers. So I have a blue one and a brown one. Sometimes they're black. I have another tube here of hair conditioner in a gold color. That would make nice earrings. Even some vitamin bottles, they're brown. And there are always lids from ice cream or yogurt. I like this red one. I've used that in some of these samples. These colors are really nice, and you might be able to use little areas on top of lids or even actual letters, because if you're only using a few of them, it just looks like colors. And I already have a blue bottle and a clear bottle that I've cut apart. And before I start, I'll tell you that I have a video below on how to make your own ear wires. Okay, so I'm going to start with these red ones. And I'm going to use this lid from yogurt. I'm going to use the red side. So first I'm just going to cut away the edge. So first I'll make these. So I'm going to cut straight down the center. And I'm going to mark these off at approximately 1/4 of an inch. Cut them out. And I'm going to cut one about 1 inch shorter than the other, like that. So I'm going to punch a hole here and here. And I'm using an old phone book, and I'm going to punch a hole on all 4 ends, like that. Okay, I have my holes all punched, and I have a jump ring. And I also have a video on how to make your own jump rings, and I'll put a link below. So I'm going to take my jump ring, and I'm going to start with my large one, place it on the jump ring, then bring the shorter one, place it on the jump ring, fold this up, place that short end on the jump ring, bring the other one up, place it on the jump ring, like that, and I've got all 4 on my jump ring. And close up the jump ring like that. And then place the jump ring on an ear wire and close up that loop. So if you leave them like that, it will give you a rounded bottom. You just simply pinch those 2 ends like that. And there's your first pair of plastic earrings. And now I'll show you how to do these. To make these 2, they're both made the same way. Start with a piece of paper and fold it in half and cut the smallest section first. So I'm just going to cut a shape like that. And you can make it any shape that you like. Now place that shape on a piece of paper and cut a larger shape. Like that, and you'll have 2 shapes that will fit together like that, and one will be smaller than the other. And I just hold my paper pattern on my plastic, but if you like, you could trace around it and then just cut it out like that. Like that. Okay, so I have both of my shapes cut out like that, and I'm going to punch a hole like that. I'm going to attach a jump ring like that, and an ear wire, and that's earring number 2. To make this earring, I did the same thing. I cut a long shape, I cut a shorter shape, attached a jump ring and an ear wire, and then here at the bottom I punched a hole, and then I attached some cotton crochet thread, and I did that by cutting yarn approximately 4 or 5 inches long, folded in half. I inserted a crochet hook into the hole, pulled up that loop, and then I pulled those 4 ends through the loop and pulled them down And then I just trimmed all the ends evenly. And I just did some designs on the light colored one with a Sharpie marker. To make these blue ones, I used this blue bottle. And these are made exactly the same way with a clear bottle. And I just cut them off at the bottom and at the top, and then I cut it across. And then I had a flat piece like this to work with. So I cut out a shape out of paper, and then I cut a shorter one like that. Did on my blue, and I cut around it, and I cut two of the same color. And around the edge, I used this Pilot Silver, and I bought it at the office supply store. But if you can't find those, you can usually find these wherever you find permanent markers, and they come in silver and gold as well. And I just did that by just running this along the edge like that. And I did both layers. And then on this one, I just dotted along the top one. So the bottom one is plain and the top one has silver dots. And I added a little bead in between my jump ring and my ear wire. And that's how I made these. Now the last ones are these. And these are very easy to make. You just need a few beads. And on this one, I cut some squares. So I just cut a strip, and then I cut them into squares like that. They don't have to be exact. And then I punched holes in the center, like that. For these, I punched with my hole punch. I punched some plastic circles. Punched holes in the centers, and then I cut a long piece of wire. I placed one bead on, and then one of my little plastic squares, and then another bead, another plastic square, and I just continued to do that as long as I wanted it. Then I made a loop. These are the ones with the circles, and I added a jump ring at the bottom with a few beads on it, and I used smaller beads for this one, and an ear hook. And that's it. That's how I made these two. And there you go. That's 5 different earrings that you can make using plastic bottles or plastic lids that you have around the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.